Ready to make some serious cash with just a few taps on your phone? In this exciting video, I'm going to reveal a game-changing app that can help you earn a whopping $100 per task completely for free. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to start earning extra income from the comfort of your own home. Join the thousands of satisfied users who are already reaping the rewards of this amazing app. Watch now and start getting paid for your time and effort today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Say goodbye to those low-paying tasks and start earning what you're worth with Methinks app. Methinks is a platform for businesses, entrepreneurs, and researchers where they can host research studies and gain valuable and impactful user and consumer feedback. As a Methinks thinker, you are the user or consumer who provides the feedback, and you get paid for it. Methinks is available worldwide on smartphones, PCs, and any connected device with audio and video capabilities. You can earn by download the Methinks app, create a thinker account. A thinker is anyone who has experiences, opinions, ideas, or thoughts about the products and services they encounter in their day-to-day lives. You can do various kinds of tasks to get paid, such as take surveys and questionnaires in a few minutes, face-to-face interviews to discuss your opinions on products, test brand new apps and websites before they're released, participate in multi-day studies. Methinks offer ranging from $5 to $100 plus on average for each task, which definitely sets them apart. They pay weekly on Fridays as long as your account has a positive balance and there is no minimum payout amount. You can get paid via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Download Methinks now and start getting paid what you deserve. In the end, thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with others. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.